I'm gonna show you how to get a black smoky eye in 1 minute. I would tell you to buy black eyeliner, but black eyeliner gets it has a lot of grip to it because you want it to last. So my tip is take black liquid lipstick. It's so much easier because it has a pigment that's supposed to lay, like a silicone pigment that's supposed to lay over your lips, right? So it is so watery. But look, pretend this was eyeliner. If you were just to put eyeliner on this, it would be eyeliner. Okay, so I'm opening my eyes up so it could transfer. But I take a flat foundation brush. I like this brush because it has a rectangle tip. So I can go straight up and down, I can go sideways. I'm not really much of a blender, I'm more of a creator. Okay. Okay. You can black out the whole eye, but I'm kind of liking the openness that I created with no darkness in the middle and darkness on the outside. Ooh, I like that. It looks like I smudge mascara everywhere. It looks so cool, right? I haven't tried this before. I tried the whole entire black eye, but okay. So this is a liquid lipstick, so we're gonna set it with black eyeshadow. This black eyeshadow is from MAC that I stole from my mom. This eyeshadow is probably as old as me. Like, everyone's mom has tried Carbon Black Matte Eyeshadow from MAC. If your mom was a mom in the early 2000s, they are MAC whores. They used to only use MAC makeup. Like, imagine just saving your money instead of buying drugstore makeup to just go buy some MAC makeup. And I think the prices were relatively lower. And the business of makeup is very feminine, and females find value in higher prices and they find value in beautifying products. So that's how MAC made most of their money. I'm thinking. Makes sense, right? Like if we place the price higher and only sell it in department stores, your value of it will be perceived as higher. But what if it's the same products that they sell in the drugstore? You never know. You have to try out for yourself, I guess. But okay, look at this glitter adhesive. It looks like a nail polish. It's super girly, super cool. But okay. You could be done with the smoky eye, but I come from the school of more is more, so we're gonna add some glitter. If you can add some glitter to your face, why wouldn't you? Like, it changes the perspective of yourself when you look in a mirror, and it also changes the perspective of other people looking at you. So interesting. It's like, if I don't think I can have anything to talk to you about, at least we can talk about the makeup that I'm wearing or the makeup that you're wearing. And females are more approachable to you. I've noticed. Is it right? Is it wrong? I don't know. Find out for yourself. Okay. So I have this Amazon glitter, which is gonna go perfect with our look. Ooh, it has little stars. It's cool. I think Kesha would approve of this look at the moment. So if 2009 Kesha were to give me a like on this photo, I could go to sleep happy. Like, smudgy black eyeliner with Pisces glitter everywhere. But she used to do glitter tears, which is so cool. Do you see how like glitter just makes like the look go together? Like it ties in the hats, it ties in the nude lip, I think. And if I think it, then who is to tell me that it's not? Unless you're God. And God, if he invented everything, then he invented glitter. So use glitter. I'm not telling. Oh, here I go with freaking lipstick on my teeth. Okay, so give me a second. I'm gonna clean this up. Okay, this is my favorite look ever because it took 3 products. You need a liquid black lipstick, um, black eyeshadow, glitter primer, and glitter, and white eyeliner. So it's actually 5 products, but you could make it with less. This is just me showing an example of how to do something quick and fast. You can just do the minimal list product of this would be get yourself a black lipstick, glitter, and glitter adhesive, glitter glue. It's easier to say, right? But okay, now I'm ready to go edit some videos. I'll probably edit this video at the moment, but that's what I'll be doing in my sailor look. So peace out from me, 2009 Kesha, and the whole American Navy.